Is your iPad screen suddenly black and not responding? Maybe it won't turn on, or the display stays black even though the device is powered. In this video, I'll show you several effective ways to fix the iPad black screen problem. Method 1. Force restart your iPad. Sometimes the system just freezes, and a force restart can quickly fix it. If your iPad has a home button, press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. If your iPad doesn't have a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. This simple step can solve many temporary system glitches. Method 2. Charge your iPad. If the battery is completely drained, the screen may stay black. Plug your iPad into a charger and wait for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then try turning it on again. Method 3. Use a system repair tool. If your iPad is still stuck on a black screen, a professional repair tool can help. For example, TunesKit iOS System Recovery can fix many iOS issues such as black screen, stuck on the Apple logo, recovery mode loop, and more. Simply connect your iPad to the computer and launch the software. Choose Standard Repair Mode. This mode will not cause any data loss. Wait for a while until the process is complete and your iPad will work again. Most issues can be fixed without data loss. Method 4. Update or restore iPad using a computer. If the system software is corrupted, you may need to update or restore your iPad. Connect your iPad to a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Put the iPad into recovery mode, then choose Update to reinstall the system without deleting your data. If the update doesn't work, you may need to choose Restore, which will erase the device and reinstall the system, and that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes.